See the M I'm talking about?
Very nice.
Yeah. Let me try this one. This looks good. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
Good job. let's go. Okay, come and sit down. Oh, you're sitting there? Yeah, I'm waiting for you to push your chair. Aww. Aw, sweet. Come on. Get over here. Okay. Kimchi. Alright. It's getting cold, honey. Okay, go. Good? Thanks. You're welcome. Let's eat it up.
What does it taste like?
It's a little spicy, but
Is it hot?
That's not